My name is Conor Evans. I am an associate professor at Harvard Medical School and a principal investigator at the Wellman Center for Photomedicine at Massachusetts General Hospital. I am a chemist, specifically a physical chemist, which makes me a little rare in the Ludwig Center. But my specialty is an area called photomedicine. So we're very interested in being able to apply light and light-based diagnostics to problems in medicine and biomedical research. So my interest in the Ludwig Center are all the things we can do with tools for sensing, tools for probes, and tools for optical imaging. And that gives us information that we then can use both in research and downstream in clinical diagnostics. The fun thing about the Ludwig Center is my interest in cancer research was actually kindled by Joan Brugge, who is one of the directors of the center. Joan, I met through my wife. My wife was actually a PhD student in Joan's laboratory, and she said she was rotating and with this wonderful professor, and you have to come over, with me, and I'll introduce you. So I got to know Joan through my wife, and at the time I wasn't really necessarily working in the cancer space, but talking to Joan, learning from her, learning the things she was doing was such a motivator. I mean, Joan is somebody who just talks with her heart, and it really spoke to me. And so during my postdoctoral fellowship, and then as I began my independent faculty career, I made a deep dive into cancer research and really became involved. When Joan set up the Ludwig, I knew I had to be involved somehow, because this place was just going to be magical. I could tell, because Joan and George were setting it up. So I became involved and kind of got involved in Ludwig as a technologist, somebody who could really listen to challenges that people were having and try to respond and bring tools, bring solutions. And so for me, the Ludwig Center is like, I'm like a kid in a candy store, because I hear people get up and say, well, we do this and this, but we're missing this piece. And I go, oh, I could do that. And then we try to fill in that gap. And again, I'm kind of a funny animal in the Ludwig Center, because I'm not a cell biologist, and cancer research is not my background, but I try to bring optics, photomedicine, and toolkits to the Ludwig Center and be part of this community.